The Vishwa Shanti Stupa, World Peace Pagoda in Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, is a magnificent symbol of peace and harmony built by the Nipponzan Myohoji Buddhist order of Japan. Completed in the 1990s, the stupa is one of the many such peace pagodas constructed across the world to promote non-violence and global unity through the teachings of Lord Buddha. The gleaming white dome structure, surrounded by manicured gardens and serene pathways, features intricately carved images of Buddha. The Golden Temple in Sarnath, also known as the Thai Buddhist Temple or Wat Thai Sarnath, is a stunning example of Thai architecture and Buddhist devotion outside Thailand. Established in the 20th century with the support of the Thai government and Buddhist monks, the temple serves as a spiritual center for Thai pilgrims visiting the sacred sites of Buddhism in India. Temple complex features beautifully landscaped gardens, ornate gates, and a golden statue of Lord Buddha seated in the Dhyana mudra meditation posture, which stands as the centerpiece. The structure is adorned with traditional Thai motifs, multi-tiered roofs, and intricate carvings, all of which reflect the rich artistic heritage of Thailand. The Golden Temple is a peaceful retreat for meditation, prayer, and reflection. Monks residing here follow strict practices and maintain the sanctity of the place. It also plays a role in promoting cultural exchange and spiritual tourism between India and Thailand.